In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. In just 5 minutes, you'll be able to smoothly integrate this technology into your everyday messaging experience, making your chats not only more engaging, but also more functional. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Messenger app. Depending on your preference, you can visit the Messenger website at messenger.com on your desktop, or if you're more comfortable with your phone or a potentially available PC app, you can opt for that too. The accessibility and convenience of Messenger make it a go-to platform for many, so use whichever method you find easiest. Once you have Messenger up and running, it's time to call upon Meta AI. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. In your Messenger app, you'll want to start by entering the search box. You're probably familiar with this area as the gateway to finding friends or chats, and here, you'll type the @ symbol. It's crucial because this is how you summon the presence of Meta AI. After typing the @ symbol, a menu will appear. This menu is your guide to accessing the features of Meta AI. From the list presented to you, select Meta AI. It should be visible among your options, and choosing it will activate its capabilities within your chat environment. Now you're ready to interact with it. Now, let's get to the fun part. Interacting with Meta AI, you can simply type in any request or question such as, "What's the weather today?" This transforms your messenger into a dynamic, knowledge-providing assistant. Need more creative suggestions? You can also use commands like imagine to experiment with creating images generated by the AI. Finally, you'll notice that Meta AI will respond as a friendly chat would, with messages that include text, images, or even useful suggestions. Its replies will blend seamlessly into your chat, making it feel just like you are interacting with a knowledgeable friend. Whether you're looking for a quick fact, a little creativity, or some assistance, Meta AI's integration with Messenger can provide an enriched and smooth experience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively leverage the power of Meta AI on Facebook Messenger to enhance your daily interactions. Whether it's for functional needs or entertainment, Meta AI is here to assist. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy getting to know this impressive AI tool.